In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate horizontal images with AI. And before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, because at 10K subscribers, I'm going to show you my complete strategy on how to make money online, including all my analytics and statistics. But let's jump into the video right now. So we're going to generate a horizontal image with AI. And in this case, I'm using ChatGPT 4o as it's completely free. And I think that ChatGPT 4o is offering a very high quality software on generating images. And to start, we require a little prompt. And I've created that, and it is as following. Generate an image of a boy sitting on a golden chair in a large mansion with an amazing view and a beautiful scenery. And I've added this sentence. The orientation must be horizontal. And this sentence is very important in order to create a horizontal image, because normally you just get the basic size, and that is in between vertical and in between horizontal. And by adding this sentence, you are making sure that you are actually getting the horizontal image. So I'm going to send this prompt right now, and I will be back when the image is generated. The image is finished, and as you can see, it is perfectly what I told the engine, and it looks really beautiful. And this is basically the horizontal image I wanted. And you can click on it, you can download it, you can also right click on the image. Wait, I have to do that in the other screen. You can right click and then you can copy it as well to a Word file, to whatever you like, a PowerPoint, anything you would like. And that's basically how it works, guys. So don't forget to add the sentence that the orientation must be horizontal. And if you do that, you will just create images just like me, just like you want. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.